Hello YouTube, it is in the name of boredom. As you can probably see, I am wet. Would you like to know why? I am at a little waterfall with Bacchus Boy 900. That is so cool. Let's go vlog up against the waterfall. Let's get an interview with the waterfall. I hope I don't drop my iPod. That would be really bad. Let's go. I'm gonna get an interview with the waterfall here.
You're vlogging?
Yeah. All right. So, Mr. Waterfall, how old are you?
18.
Whoa. Wait, I forgot waterfalls can't talk, so I guess this interview is over. But that is so cool. Hey, Soleh, you're in my vlog. I'm vlogging. Yeah. What's up, Soleh? I look really white. I'm gonna get really wet. Ah! It's a waterfall.
Oh my god.
Ah! I'm wet. Hey, Mom. You gotta say hello, YouTube. Yeah. I wanna touch it again.
Yeah! Jump on the log.
That is some wet waterfall. That is a wet waterfall. I hope my iPod is not getting wet as much as I am. So, my hair is dripping.
How do you know? Mom, you don't see right.
Awesome. So,
Oh, he's not baptized.
what?
He's not baptized.
You can't get baptized by a waterfall, silly goose. This is a pretty cool experience. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna try to go over there. I'm gonna come up these rocks. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. Whoa.
Come on, Avery.
I'm coming, man.
Careful, man.
I'll try. This looks like a scene from like an adventure movie. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. That's. I gotta be careful because this is a very fragile iPod. If I drop you, this vlog is screwed. So. Yeah. How am I gonna do this? You gotta use two hands. All right.
Come on, Avery.
I'm trying, man.
Step down on the bottom bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it.
Now you can get him out easy. Just hold on to the side.
This is so cool.
Can I see your camera? I got you.
I got it, man.
Oh, you got this?
I got this. Just one more. There we go.
Yo, I'm stoked.
Here we friggin' are.
Yeah.
Alright, now you can be close to my vlog, and I look really white, so I'm gonna try to fix that. There we go.
Hey, yo, I look a little brown now. That's good.
Woo! 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 Woo!
My hair's not wet. I can't do that yet.
Yeah.
My arms are and my legs are.
That's such a cool waterfall, yo.
It's
like
beautiful, man.
beautiful. So touching.